Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is RealVNC and GoTo Resolve. So let's get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, which is RealVNC Connect and GoTo Resolve. RealVNC Connect offers a secure and easy remote desktop asset with a strong encryption and across platform support. It's great for individuals and business needing a simple, reliable remote control with features like file transfer, chat, and multi-factor authentication. RealVNC focuses mainly on direct remote access and is user-friendly but lack a full IT support features. So talking about GoTo Resolve, on the other hand, is designed for IT teams who want all-in-one remote support solution. It combines remote access with advanced tools like ticketing, automation, and device management, making it ideal for managing multiple endpoints and their workflows. While more complex, it provides a steeper control and a better support capabilities than RealVNC. And here's a better conclusion. So you can simply opt in for RealVNC Support Connect if you want a straightforward, secure remote desktop access, or probably pick GoTo Resolve if you need a powerful, full-featured IC support platform for managing and supporting many devices. And that's it.